To assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A yau insha Allah tutorial ɗin da zamu yi shi ne kan yaya za ka installing ɗin Termux akan Android phone ɗinka for development purpose. So na farko bari mu fara diba cewa menene shi Termux ɗin. What is Termux? See, as you can see, Termux is a free and open source terminal emulator for Android which allows for running a Linux environment on Android device. So kun ga shi wannan Termux ɗin ana amfani da shi ne as a terminal emulator for Android da yake allowing ɗin user ya running in Linux environment. When you are using Termux, it's like you are using Linux environment. Linux is an operating system kamar da muka sani na computer. So za ka iya in kai installing ɗin Termux a saman wayanka is a normal application. So like you are using that operating system called Termux, and it released on 13th May 2015, which is now 9 years ago. As you can see, operating system kuma is running on Android. So you can see this thing. Termux can be used to write and run code like any desktop PC or laptop. It can be used to brush off on programming language like Python or script language like Shell. So ga dai sunan wuraren Termux, you can use Termux to do things like hacking. Suna amfani da shi wurin hacking da sauran abubuwa irin su penetration testing da dai wasu abubuwa da za ka iya yi da Termux, but it's limited. Termux is limited than the Linux itself. Shi wannan Termux ɗin saboda yana running a Android is so limited than a ce wancan Linux ɗin gaba ɗaya operating system ɗin. So yanzu za mu ga yadda za mu yi downloading ɗin shi direct. In mutum ya je Google Play akwai Termux, but amma gaskiya na Google Play ba su fiya updating ɗin shi ba, as za ka iya ɗauko older version da ba za ka samu wani features ba. But the perfect place to download it is to just go when you come to your browser and write Termux APK download. So kun ga na Google Play wanda an kada na zai Google Play ka ɗauko. So skip it, go to this F-Droid. Okay, let me open it in the so as you can see, so ga nan na zo a site in wa'annan na F-Droid ɗin ga Termux ɗin nan. So kun ga gashi nan ina da wannan ga nan version 0. wannan abin sun ce this version requires Android 5 or newer. So Android 5, and this is the older version, and this one too requires 7 or newer, and this one requires on January 2022. Ga last 2 years kenan. This version requires Android 7.0 or newer version. So sai kai clicking nan wurin download APK, sai kai downloading ɗin shi. So ni ina da shi already, da ka danna nan zai yi downloading. So already I have it. This is my own Termux. I have it already. So I'm going to share with you guys how to set up Termux on your phone. So first of all, in ka buɗe shi, you have to set up the for it. How to do that is this command apt update and apt upgrade. Anyone, the laptop users and the phone users should know how to use Termux. Wannan shine command ga nan apt update and apt upgrade, yadda za ka yi updating kuma ka dinga upgrading ɗin Termux ɗinka time by time. So yanzu idan na run da shi kun ga about, amma make sure you have your internet connection like this. So ga nan ina connecting. So maybe I think I have a slower internet connection. So in dai ga nan warin wannan shine in ka sa nan apt update and apt upgrade in the zima upgrading as you have an internal connection. Well, so the next thing is to set up storage for your Termux. How to set up? Already I have already set up my own storage for Termux, but to do that is Termux space dot set of then this then storage. So this one will ask you to allow your Termux to manipulate your files in your phone. So me already I have it. It appears that directory storage already exists. Kun gani na ya riga da already ya existing akan computer akan wayana. So no need. Do you want to continue? I say yes. Gashi nan. So kun ga already na yi dama na ga muku na yi. So da kai haka za ka ga ya baka ya zai tambaye ka kai allowing ko kai denying din shi, sai ka danna allowing sai ya baka dama sai ka wuce. So the next thing da zamu duba shine since we download it for the purpose of programming, so I'm just going to show you how to use it to create a simple programs in it. So the next thing after you set up your storage, then you have to see simple command like this. This pwd stands for current directory. If you want to see current directory, means where you are in your files. As you can see now, I am in data.com.termux.files.home. So this is where am I now. And if I want to see the files, the folders or directories under this home, I am going to do like this ls, which stand for list. This ls stand for list. Kun ga folders inda ke da kwai nan app, storage, tablet, tomcat, download, card tech. You see? So see now I am in my Linux environment. So if I want to change to my phone directories, to my phone directory, I mean, so how to do it is this cd stand for change directory. As dama ko a masu Windows users haka suke amfani da shi. Cd stand for change directory, then slash sd card. Wannan shi zai kai ni directory na wayana. So kun ga na shigo cikin sd card, in na danna list like this. So kun ga duka wannan sune folders ɗin da ke cikin wannan. Tun daga nan in na fara diba, kun ga gasu nan 40 hadis, AA, APIs, about the ajiya, alarms, Android, Anki Droid. So as you can see now, if I enter my, kun gani ko ga nan 40 hadis, AA, ajiya, alarms, Anki Droid. So kun gani, so duka wa'innan abubuwan su ne na zo nan na yi listing. Nan shine this is my SD card da na yi changing directory to SD card. Nan ne kawo ni. So yanzu kun ga inda nake nan warin ko. So now kun ga kamar yanzu na yi creating ɗin wani folder a nan ciki ga nan Termux. Kun ga babu komai a cikin shi ko. So let me change directory to the card tech cd Termux, I mean not card tech, Termux like this. To kun ga yanzu ga nan ina cikin SD card and Termux too. So if I list, kun ga I don't have anything here inside. Na yi listing ban da komai ciki. So kun ga yanzu wannan ga yana na gwada muku yadda za ku yi. Kuma ina danna pwd, which is will show me current directory, the place I am in my phone. So kun ga yana gwada muku ina cikin SD card Termux a nan cikin nake. So the next thing in the next tutorial I am going to show you, since I'm doing this to show you how to set up your Node.js in order to run JavaScript not inside the browser but inside your machine. Run JavaScript as the visual runtime environment, which is Node. So in the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Node.js and start your JavaScript programs without relying on browser, since we can't use JavaScript you can't run JavaScript in your phone without Node.js, as it is shine runtime environment in JavaScript. But in browser you can run it in browser, but in browser you have to encode it inside your HTML program. You have to connect it with your HTML documents in order to run JavaScript. But now if we install Node.js, will allow us to just do our script and without relying on browsers. So